Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am going full on Halloween. Got my witch hat out for a little while. I put on my Halloween glasses, my Halloween shirt, because you know what? We have a full on Yankee Candle PR Halloween unboxing. Every year, I'm so grateful to Yankee Candle for sending me a Halloween PR package. So this is exciting. This box was huge, you guys. I mean, it was like this big by this big. I unboxed the box and I have the boxes. So we are going to open the boxes. I am so excited. So it says, though the skies are high with summer sun, the witching hour has begun. Welcome to your Halloween surprise pack. No tricks, just treats. And they wrote me a very sweet letter. And it says, preview scares up on Yankee Candle. It looks like some stores and on the website beginning July 15th. And then the full collection will be available on August 3rd. Now, unfortunately, Yankee is no longer in my mall, which is really sad because I loved the Yankee store in my mall. I think the outlet is still open out at Aurora Farms. I may have to head out to the outlet at some point. So I did start a little bit of an unboxing. I unboxed one of the pieces already. This is adorable. I think this is the biggest PR package that I've ever gotten from them, and it is absolutely fabulous. This is the Pumpkin Sophia jar candle holder. Super cute. If you're looking for whimsical, you're going to want to check out Yankee. It is so absolutely adorable. So I got that. Check it out. They sent me a wick trimmer. I am so excited about this wick trimmer because I cannot find my wick trimmer and I've been wanting one. So I have a black Halloween wick trimmer. I got a couple things I have not even opened yet. Actually, I have a lot I haven't opened yet. So I'm excited. We're going to do this on camera. This feels like a candle topper. It's like Christmas. Seriously, full on Christmas for me. This is more exciting than opening Christmas gifts. Yes, it is a candle topper. Let me show you this one. Oh, it's skulls and roses. Look at that. Okay, so it is called the Phantasmagoria Illuminid Jar Candle Topper. I don't know what's going on with Phantasmagoria this year. I have a lot of their pieces. I love it. So what's nice about Yankee is they do whimsical, and then they do the Phantasmagoria collection, which is a little more on the spooky side. So you're getting both from Yankee, which is so cool. Okay. I'm just going to start opening boxes. This is going to be a fun video, you guys. Grab a beverage. It's a little warm in here. I got a long sleeve shirt on. I had to put my Halloween shirt on now. I'm like, I had to do it. Oh, check it out. This looks like Phantasmagoria too. I'm just going to start tossing my bags. Ooh, this is pretty. This is like classy Halloween. This is the Metal Skulls Jar Candle Holder. Look at this. Oh, that is gorgeous. They sent me a ton of candles too. We're going to get to the candles after I open up all of the home decor. Okay, next up here. I'm trying to be all organized here. I got my scissors. There we go. Okay. Next up is, I believe that this is a lamp. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is really, really pretty, you guys. Seriously gorgeous. Okay, I'm assuming, let me see. This is one of the, it's the shade and the candle holder. It's the purple Halloween scene jar candle holder. And then we have the shade. Okay, I'm loving this. And you know what's really cool? Like, I don't know if you can see this, but like there's a moon here. So when it illuminates, the moon's going to show. I'll have to demonstrate that when I review all this stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, next up. next up, next box. This is really like Christmas. Seriously. I mean, I have boxes. I'm unpacking stuff. Okay. What? How am I going to do this, you guys? This is like, oh, here. Okay. I'm like, ow, what am I doing? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, let me put my paper aside here. It's hard when you're doing this by yourself, when you're unpacking on camera. Anything can go wrong. Okay. I think I got it now, you guys. I want to save the packaging. Okay, we're gonna flip that over there. We're gonna get rid of that. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cool. It's funny because I can't really tell. I saw the PR packaging, but it's a lot bigger than I thought. This is a Spooky House jar candle holder. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. So look at this. How cute is that? See, this is like not spooky. This is like more of a whimsical piece. Ceramic. And I don't know what the price is on this. $35. Look at that. Loving that. Okay. Oh, my Halloween collection is getting bigger by the minute. Seriously. I'm glad I have a basement. Okay, next up, we have, check this out, open this up. Okay, you ready? You ready? I wonder if this is the lamp part of the shade. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, don't drop it. Okay, that was a little scary. It like totally started to tip. Okay, I got it, you guys. Okay, what is this? Is this the lamp? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is huge. I didn't realize this piece was so big. Like I said, you can't tell from the pictures. This is absolutely stunning. Look at this. It's like a creepy hand candle holder. I'll put the candle in a minute. This is a Phantasmagoria double hand jar candle holder. So it's not a crystal ball. The hands are holding the candle. That's really cool. This is $30. That's really neat. Okay. I am liking, that's heavy too. Okay, so this must be the shade then. So let me open this one up. Check it out. Okay. Okay, I'm getting better at this now. Yes. Okay. So this is, look at how pretty this is. Okay, so this is the Purple Halloween Scene jar candle holder, and this is glass. Check it out, the inside there. That is gorgeous. So then you can do like the shade on top of the candle. So that's really cool. So I'll demonstrate that in a minute. I gotta get my candles, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me grab my candles. So they sent me 6 candles this year. I'm loving the packaging on these. Check this out. So this is the Banana Toffee. We had this last year. It's nice. It's a banana taffy. I don't have the scent notes. When I review these, I'll do all the scent notes. But this is like that Phantasmagoria roses. Very pretty. I also have another one called Witches. Oh, this is Witch's Brew. There's a new one. Witch's Brew has been around forever at Yankee. But look at this like classy. Oh, it's black wax too. That's actually kind of cool. Classy packaging though. These are the 3 wicks, by the way. Very classy. And then this is the new one, I think. No, it's not. There's a new one in here somewhere. This is last year's Blood Orange Pumpkin. This is actually a favorite of mine. It's like a really strong cinnamon pumpkin. This is wonderful. So check that out with this gorgeous packaging. And then this is the new one, I think. I don't think I've ever smelled this. This is Enchantress Spell. Check it out with the red wax. This is like a rose. It's a really deep rose. Now, if you stick the candle in the holder, you got to kind of be careful how you put these in here. But you can put a candle in here and then light it up. And then you can also take this and put it on top of here as like, these fit on here? Yeah, these fit on here. The shade. You can also use the shade on the country candles. I usually only use them on the country candles. It fits a little bit wonky there. I think it looks better on the country candle, honestly. These tall ones, it fits on there, but I usually put these on the country candle. But look at this, how cool that looks. And this is the single wick witch's brew in the large jar. Look at that gorgeous wax. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, that's exciting. And then check this out. You can put a candle on the back of here. So we got that. And then I don't know if they're doing, I'm assuming they're doing their shorter 3 wicks this year. Oh, let's see. I think I have the scent notes on here. Candle product. Okay, so the new Enchantress spell is blackberry, raspberry elixir, black rose, black amber, black oud, cedar, velvet petals, and patchouli silk. It definitely is it's a deep rosy patchouli type of candle. It's very interesting. Blood orange is blood orange, sparkling ginger, orange zest, clove bud, pumpkin puree, fresh nutmeg, buttercream, vanilla, and cinnamon bark. I've always loved blood orange. That one's great. Banana taffy is hazelnut, banana, sweet milk, toffee, banana, oatmeal, pancakes, maple, caramel, vanilla, rum. Oh, vanilla rum barrel. Yeah, that one's good. I love that. And then Witch's Brew, which is the black one, and then we have the single wicks. This is actually really cool. This matches, by the way. That's why I think that the topper is going to go on here, because this like totally matches. Like this looks the best on here. Look at that. They match. But you can probably use the topper on anything, but it looks cool on there. I always love Witch's Brew from Yankee. It is woody, sweet, clove, cinnamon, jasmine, woody, patchouli, woody, and vanilla. And then the last one is the Mystic Moon, which is the blue. This is a different scent for me. Mystic Moon is apple, berry, violet leaf, cinnamon, jasmine, white peach, vanilla, patchouli, and amber. So it's like a floral patchouli, like a midnight floral. It's wonderful. So actually, this smells really good this year. I don't know why. Why am I digging Mystic Moon so much this year? I have no idea, but I'm liking it. Okay. What else do we have here? Accent products, jar shades, illumilids. So this is a selection of the Halloween. I'm sure they're going to have more pieces. I always appreciate every year Yankee, they reach out to me and they ask if they can send me this PR package. And it's so exciting to get. Honestly, like I came home today and I saw this setting on my front porch and I just was like, what is that big box? And I saw it said Yankee Candle and I was like, yay, Yankee Candle sent me Halloween. So I'm loving everything. I think this is really cool. Let me put the candle in here. So I'm thinking one of these would actually, yeah, this is what's going to go in here. Look at this. This is perfect. That looks really cool with the 3 wick. Look at that. That's awesome. And it's like got the purple roses on here. That's looking really, really hot. I like that they did the black wax in here for Witch's Brew. And I always like Witch's Brew for me is like always the black wax. And then like I said, these are the candle toppers. You can put these on top of the country candles and they look cool and they really work well. So oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This is adorable. So nice selection. Phantasmagoria, the whimsical, there's like something for everyone at Yankee for Halloween. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm going to go play with my stuff. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.